Now let us list out some points as the difference between BOD and COD. So both are actually test methods. Okay, so they are test methods to measure the pollutants that is present in the water sample. BOD is a biological oxygen demand. COD is chemical oxygen demand. It's a measure of oxygen required by bacteria or other microorganisms to degrade the biodegradable wastes that is present in the water. COD is the amount of oxygen required by chemicals to oxidize the organic as well as inorganic wastes. So that means biodegradable as well as non-biodegradable wastes. As a second point I can give, here the dissolved oxygen from the water body is utilized by the microorganisms for the degradation of wastes. Dissolved oxygen is taken from the water bodies itself. Okay, so whereas here the oxygen required for the decomposition is being provided by the chemicals such as oxidants. Okay, so here microorganisms are playing role for the decomposition process, whereas here oxidants such as KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, potassium chlorate are involved. Since BOD is a measure of oxygen required by bacteria, BOD value will be usually measured at a longer time. Okay, nearly 5 days are required to measure this BOD. Since in the case of the COD, the degradation is by means of the chemicals. Okay, so it takes place at once. Within 2 to 3 hours, we are able to find out the COD value. Bacteria and the microorganisms are decomposing only the biodegradable wastes, biodegradable organic wastes. But in the case of chemicals can decompose both biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. That means organic as well as inorganic wastes. So naturally COD value will be more, okay, than the BOD value. So these are the main differences between BOD and COD. Biological oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand. So this is the amount of oxygen required by bacteria to decompose biodegradable wastes. This is the amount of oxygen required by chemicals such as oxidants like potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, potassium iodate to decompose or to destroy or oxidize the organic as well as inorganic matters present in the water. The oxygen is taken from the water bodies. Water bodies contains dissolved oxygen. So that will be utilized by the microorganisms during the degradation. Here the oxidants will provide the oxygen for the degradation. BOD, to measure BOD, it takes at least 5 days. Okay, but to measure COD, 2 to 3 hours is enough. BOD is actually a measure of oxygen required to degrade only the biodegradable wastes. So its value is naturally will be lesser than the COD, whereas COD is the measure of oxygen. It's a demand of oxygen for destroying both biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes.